Hello guys, welcome back to Susie's channel. Today Susie has requested to make this puzzle, so I'll be making it. Oh, the sound is so good.
When I
So
wake
it's all
up,
mixed up,
I feel
and I'm
cozy,
gonna
yeah.
fix this. Actually,
Can
I'm
you
not
hold
that
up?
good, but
Don't need no
give me the
coffee,
time,
yeah.
I know how to make
Got
all
no
the
makeup.
colors, so
How
here
do
I
you
go.
look so
Don't
fine?
forget to stay
Bless
till
up, bless
to
up.
the end.
How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bless up, bless up.
The first layer is done. Now I'm gonna do the second layer.
Hold on a second. Love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
I finished all the colors. Thank you for staying with me till the end, and oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.